Hello bicyclists, this is Rick. Today is Tuesday, March 30th, 2021. Started a bike ride at 11 minutes after 11. I'm riding the Canyon Endurace CF SLX bike today. Temperature is about 75 degrees. Wind is about 11 miles an hour. Although it doesn't feel like it out here. The humidity is pretty high. Overcast. Today's bike ride route is going to be south to Atascocita, then through Walden, and then east over to FM 2100. I'm going to go north on FM 2100, try out the sidewalk, I guess, beside the road, north from Old Atascocita Road to FM 1960. Probably 31, maybe 32 miles. Riding west in North Woodland Hills Village in Kingwood. I'm not sure what the street name is. I'll catch it down here at the corner, I hope. Now turn left onto Little Cedar and we're coming off of Middle Creek Drive. .0 miles so far. Time is 27 minutes after 11. At the stop sign here, we're going to turn right. And let's see here. This is Hidden Pines. Been on the street so many times I don't really pay much attention to the name anymore. Know where it goes and where I go. Stop sign will be turning left. That was a darker cloud up above. Ahead. My sunglasses make it appear even darker than it really is. Stop sign, I'll be turning left onto Lake Hills Drive. That bicyclist was riding on the Greenbelt trails. Crossing the street. I used to ride that particular one when I had a mountain bike. Not that the trails are mountainous or rough or anything, it just, that was what the bike that I rode. Stop sign ahead. I'll be turning right. Trucks ahead there. This is Big Springs. They're preparing to install a new internet service provider, Talkus. Up ahead is a trailer with their reel of conduit that they're burying. Looking forward to their arrival. This is Willow Point. Comes another truck with more Talkus conduit. Here's a boring machine. My understanding is they can bore about 400 feet at a time. Talkus will give Kingwood a choice for internet service providers. A number of folks are not satisfied with Suddenlink. I have Suddenlink. I'm not disappointed with their service, but the price and the fact that they keep raising the rates all the time. Competition will be good. This is Woodland Hills Drive. I'll be entering into Bear Branch Village. This is Riverlawn Drive. 4.0 miles. Time is 32 minutes after 11. Just crossed over FM 2100 on the old Atascocita Road. I'm now turned back, headed west. I'm going to go north on alongside of FM 2100 on the sidewalk. We'll see how far that takes me. Time is 12:46. 20.4 miles. A little bit of a tailwind to no wind. I thought about riding on the old road. It's closed, but I thought I'd try this first. Not sure why they bounced this on this side of the ditch, but okay. There might be a section up ahead here where it's dirt. Hopefully not the case. I guess it's just covered with dirt. It's concrete though. Good. Just a low-lying area. People are a little closer to the road now. Not sure exactly how far this goes, but we'll find out. Zig out to the road. Maybe they do that to be kind of crosswalk. Looks like this portion here is newer concrete than the previous, but maybe it just hasn't been exposed to the weather as much. I guess at each street they take us up close to the road. .2 miles. Time is 12:50. Well, they tore up a bunch of the asphalt over on the old road. So I wouldn't have gotten this far. I might have got stuck on the other side of the barriers and couldn't get out. Lake Houston United Methodist Church on the right. This is going to get me pretty close to FM 1960, or the railroad tracks anyway. Up. There's a section up here. Bounce over a little bit to the left. It's not completed yet. Could have stayed over there. Wasn't sure if the asphalt connected. Okay, FM 1960.